Hello and welcome to HCM 300, the U.S. healthcare system. This is a health policy class. It's really neat because it kind of studies a little bit of everything of the U.S. healthcare system. We're just going to touch on lots of different things, and just when you really get excited about something, we'll hop to the next one. So I hope you're ready. We'll start out with a little bit of the U.S. healthcare delivery system. We'll talk about the history of how things evolved, how we got health insurance in the United States, why it's connected to the employer. We'll talk about financing and reimbursement. We'll talk about a little bit of managed care, populations with special needs, the whole issue of access and quality, which is always present and something we need to keep working on. And we'll talk a little bit about the future and what you can do to help out with healthcare policy in the future. This is the book that you'll need for this course. It's actually a really good book, and we will follow the book very closely. And my lectures will be, in fact, they will follow them almost 100%. The benefit you'll have is I've been working in the healthcare system since the early 90s. I went to UVA and then MCV and graduated with an MHA in 1996 and have been working in everything from managed care to hospitals. Spent the last 11 years doing consulting in both hospital insurance settings, and now do consulting here in the Roanoke area. So I'm looking forward to going on this journey with you. A word about assignments. Assignments are intended to be informed, and they should be relevant to you. They're intended to not be that hard, and that's why I'm going to be very firm about the deadlines. So please get started on the discussions. The discussions are worth a significant portion of your grade, and they're not that hard to do. And as long as you put a thoughtful approach to them, you're going to be in great shape. When you go to write the paper, I'm not looking for a really long essay. Please respect the parameters that are given to you in the syllabus, and please focus more on your analysis, okay? All those other components are important, but I'm looking to see that you've actually applied what you've learned from the course. The test will be open book and open notes. The test will not be live until about the time that we're going to take the test, so please don't try to do them early. It would only hurt you because you're not going to be ready until you fully followed all the lectures. And that's another thing. Please try to do a couple lectures. Do the lectures in the pace of the syllabus. Do not try to hold them all for a weekend and do them all at once. I think you're going to find it's much more difficult that way. This is a class where you need it builds, and you need to let some topics. It's a thinking class, so you need to let some things kind of brew and make sure they're kind of going in the back of your mind even as you go about your other healthcare things. And feel free to bring things from your own experience into the course. I really enjoy that. And please don't hesitate to reach out to me with any questions. So that's our introductory video. I'm now going to ask you to go ahead and get back on Blackboard and start doing the assignments to the pace of the syllabus, and watch for my announcements there. And please, if any time, feel free to email me. And if we need to set up a time to video chat, we can do that as well. Hope you have a great semester, and best of luck to each and every one of you.